I'ma do it like it ain't been done. Can't beat me, I'm a show shot winner. One of a kind, I'm a
showing you how to take care of your children. This is flu season. The time has changed, season changing, and everybody in the household is sick. I know for my household, everybody is sick right now, coughing, sneezing, just passing germs like crazy. So I have come up over the years with concoction that will help the children, you know, feel better within 2 or 3 days. Now, this is not a prescription where everything is done, where you can totally be healed from it. It's something you have to continuously take every month. Every morning, you give a teaspoon or a spoonful of what I'm going to make to your children. Here's my little angel. She's resting now. She had been up most of the night, so she's sleeping now. So, yep, we're going to nurse her back to health. So I'm going to show you what I have here. This is what I have here. And this is the honey that I use. You don't have to use honey. You could use agave nectar. It's all natural. It's all from the tree. And it's a long history about healing wounds, you know, water on your skin, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties in there. It's all good, all wrong remedy. We have the onions, which is known for its sulfates and essential oil. So this is just used raw in its state because you're going to put it in to all the concoction I'm about to make. It's good for bad tooth, headaches, fever, bad breath, you name it. It's an all-round remedy for ailments in the body. Cider vinegar. This is the go-to for every type of digestive upset, wart, acne, coughing, whooping cough. They use this to counterattack toxic in the body, detox the system, and it's very pungent. If it's too pungent, add honey to it. And I'm crushing the garlic. I leave the skin on the garlic, but it's better that way. You get all the nutrients, all the pungent taste from it. That's what you want. I left the skin. Also on the onion, we're going to put that together. And we're going to add our honey. I just put like enough to cover it. I ain't going to measure with a teaspoon or tablespoon because I don't go by measurement. And then I have lemon juice. If you got lemon juice, put some on there. It's like cooking in the kitchen, right? I add cayenne pepper for circulation. This is your cayenne pepper. This is the sauce you're going to give them. This is not the sauce, but this is the syrup that you're going to give them. 1 teaspoon. If it's too spicy, you add more honey or agave nectar. More you add is more syrup. It depends on how much children you're catering for in the household. You have the lemon in the bottle, or you have your fresh squeezed lemon. I use that also. And you let this sit in the fridge for 24 hours. This lasts about 2 months, and then you change it. Then I have the apple cider vinegar I showed you. You put that. I usually use, you can use the cover, 1 teaspoon, or from the bottle into the bowl, because this is very acidic. You don't want it too strong. You use 6 ounces of water. I'm just doing a bowl now to show you how you're mixing it. So if it's for 1 person, this will be a cup, equivalent to a cup of water, 1 teaspoon. And you give them to sip it during the day. They can send them to school with it, and they can sip it morning and at bedtime. You make it a little stronger. You add 2 teaspoons, 2 cups of water, so 1 teaspoon per cup, and that's it. If it's extreme whooping cough and the child is not breathing properly, go to the doctor. Don't still want to keep making concoction, because then it's going to another level. I also use echinacea and golden seal. Very good. And you have your chlorophyll, 100 milligrams. Now everything is internet, so you can research these yourself, get more information on it, and heal the nation, heal your children, With that, I say, yeah. Hi, Asia. As you can see, she's feeling better. She is smiling, foot up in the air. Yes, my Asia is much better. Remember, yes. Nature cures. Leave the pharmaceutical medicine alone. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.